Hi, I'm Monica Heredia, the director of Westcliff Early Learning Academy. I'm here to show you an easy, fun, and educational Halloween costume for your little one. So you're going to start out with a black top and black pants, super easy, and then you can have some colored tape. You can get them for $5 on Amazon, or you can use white masking tape. Either one works really well. I really like the colored tape because it really differentiates the different bones in the bodies, and the kids coordinate the color with the bone. So first you're going to start out with the sternum. Here's the sternum right here. And then we're gonna do the ribs. These are where your ribs are. I really like doing it on the child while they're wearing the clothes because they really get to feel where their bones are. Perfect, got the ribs. Then we're gonna do the upper arm up here, which is the humerus bone right here. You put that on right there. That's your humerus bone. There you go. Then we're going to start with the legs. So we're going to start right here on the upper leg right here. This is the femur bone right here. And then down here are your shins. And that is the tibia right here. Your tibia bones. And there you go. Not only is this fun, easy, and quick, but it's a tangible way to teach your child about the science behind the human body.